Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find and manage the screen recorder settings on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the settings, now go to display, then if you scroll down, then you will find screen record. If you open the settings, over here you will find a bunch of options that you can manage. We have the viewfinder size, which can be set to small or large. We can switch the resolution between 1080p and 720p. We can also choose the frames per second, so we can set it to dynamic, so it is automatically adjusted depending on the system performance. But we can force 60 FPS as well, so that we have the smoothest FPS possible. We can also set the record time limit, so we can, for instance, set it to 5 minutes, and by doing so, we will be able to record only for 5 minutes. We can also set the file size limit, so when we exceed the file size, the recording will stop. And we also can enable the touch points while recording, so we can press this slider in order to enable this option. And by doing so, we will see the interactions in the video. Whenever you tap somewhere on the screen, it will be visible on the recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!